Do you have any question about about solving systems by substitution? Chapter 5, lesson 3. Any question? Huh? Teacher, any question?
No.
Okay, mashallah, okay.
No.
Okay, so yalla, let's start. Today we are going to talk about solving systems by elimination. Okay, solving systems by elimination. How we can solving system by elimination? From chapters 5.2, we solve the system by 5 steps. First step, solve for one variable in at least one equation. Second step, substitute the resulting expression into the other equation. Then solve that equation to get the value of the first variable. Then substitute that value into one of the original equations and solve. Then step number 5, write the values from steps 3 and 4 as an ordered pair like x, y, and check. Today we are going to talk about solving systems by elimination. So how we can solving system by elimination? Today we are going to talk about it. Here we have 4 steps. Okay, we have 4 steps. First step, write the system so that like terms are aligned. I will make mute, okay? If you want to ask me or write the answers, you can use chat. So step 1, write the system so that like terms are aligned. Okay? Page 343, Amira. 343. Step number 2, eliminate one of the variables and solve for the other variable. Step 3, substitute the value of the variable into one of the original equation and solve for the other variable. Step number 4, write the answers from steps 2 and 3 as an ordered pair x, y, and check. And we know that we have to write the solution or the answer as an ordered pair. Okay? So let's start to know how we can solving systems by elimination. Look at this one, elimination using addition. So here we have x minus 2y equal minus 19, 5x plus 2y equal 1. So by elimination, step 1, write the system so that like terms are aligned, and notice that minus 2y and 2y are opposite. Look at teacher, we can subtract the two equations from each other, or we can add the two equations by each other, or we can multiply first equation by any number to remove y or remove x. Okay, so look here. I will use the red one. We have minus 2y, and in the second equation we have plus 2y. So minus 2y plus 2y, how we can cancel y or remove y or find the equation only has inside the equation only we have x? How? Minus 2y and 2y, how we can cancel it? How we can get 0? If I added, okay, minus 2y plus 2y equal what? Opposite sign equal what? Write for me the answer. Minus 2y plus 2y equal 0. Very good, Shog. So minus 2y plus 2y equals 0. So here x minus 2y equal minus 19 plus, I add these two equations, 5x plus 2y equal 1. So x plus 5x equal 6x. Minus 2y plus 2y cancel 0. Minus 19 plus 1 minus 18. So the answer is 6x equal minus 18. Now we can find the value of x. If 6x equal minus 19, so 6x divided by 6 equal minus 18 divided by 6. So x equal minus 3. Now we find x. So x equal minus 3. Now substitute x in any equation to find y. You can substitute x in the first one or in the second one. It's up to you. And you can substitute x equal 3 in x minus 2y equal minus 19 or in 5x plus 2y equal 1 to find y. Write one of the original equations, substitute minus 3 for x, add 3 to both sides. So here x minus 2y equal minus 19. So minus 3 minus 2y equal minus 19. We have to find y. How we find y here? We have to look what we have beside y and y multiplied or divided by which number. So beside minus 2y, I have minus 3. So we have to add 3 both sides. So minus 2y equal minus 16. Y multiplied by minus 2. So we have to divide it by minus 2. So minus 2y divided by minus 2, minus 16 divided by minus 2, divide both sides by minus 2, so y equal 8. So here the answer is minus 3, 8. Any question? So I will repeat. First, we have to look at these two equations. We have to look at x up and x down, yani x in the first equation and x in the second equation. We have x and down 5x. And look at y, we have minus 2y and plus 2y. So minus 2y and minus 2y are opposite. So if I added, or if I add minus 2y and plus 2y, so I will get 0. So we add these two equations. X minus 2y equal minus 19 plus 5x plus 2y equal 1. Add minus 2y plus 2y equals 0. X plus 5x, 6x, minus 19 plus 1, minus 18. So we get 6x equal minus 18. So 6x divided by 6 to get x equal minus 18 divided by 6. So x equal minus 3. Step 3, substitute x minus 3 in the original equations. You can substitute in the first one and you can substitute it in the second one. It's up to you. So x minus 2y equal minus 19. Substitute x equal minus 3. Minus 2y equal minus 19. You have to find y. It's from the first chapter from this year. You have to look what beside y and y multiplied or divided by what. So I have minus 3 beside y. So you have to use the opposite sign. If you have minus 3, so add 3. Minus 3 minus 2y equal minus 19. So minus 2y equal minus 16. Minus 2y divided by 2 equal minus 16 divided by minus 2. So y equal 8. So the answer is minus 3, 8. Any question? Any question? Yes, it's easy. Try to solve here. Try to solve this one. It's easy until now. It's all the lesson, yeah, Natalie. All the lesson in the same way. Yalla, try to solve here. Solve and check. I will help you. Look, y plus 3x equal minus 2 and 2y minus 3x equal 14. So look at the x plus 3x minus 3x. So we have to add these two equations to get y. Yalla, try to solve it. Yes, true. Shog, true. Your answer is true. Because I have opposite signs for anyone, if you have opposite sign for y or opposite sign for x, so add the equations, add both, okay? By elimination, we can add it if I have opposites in x or in y. So here, if I added these two, you will get y first. If you get y, write for me the answer, please. Yalla Shog, find x. Your answer is true. Try to find x. Who is not here? Yara is here, Shog is here, Natalie, Mira, Jana, Fatima. What? Who is the 4 points? Please write your name. Fatima, y is true. Yes, y is true, Fatima. Very good. Yalla ya Jana, try to solve like Thursday. Yalla, 1 more minute. No one find x? Just substitute the value of y in any equation to find x. Okay, I'm waiting. Yalla, where is Natalie? Yes, true, Fatima. Very good. Yara. Yalla ya Jana, Mira. Yalla, try to solve it. Very good, Fatima. Your answer is true. So, I will write the steps. First step, you have to add these two equations, okay? So, for example, I will add these two equations. So, if I add it, first 2y plus 2y, I will write the steps here. Y plus 2y, so 3y. 3x minus 3x, so here plus 0. Minus 2 plus 14. طب if the password is wrong, how you can enter? How you enter to my meeting? It's same password. 3y plus 0 equal minus 2 plus 14. Who can give me the answer? Minus 2 plus 14. Who is the 4 points if not Hala? Naka? Yes, true, 12. So 3y equal 12. right? 3y equal 12. So what we have to do now? What we have to do? Divide by 3 and divide by 3 both sides. So 3y divided by 3y equal 12 divided by 3, 4. So y equal 4. Any question till now? Now what we have to do? Now we have to substitute y in any equation. So let's substitute y in the first equation. Okay? Y plus 3x equal minus 2. Okay? So what is the value of y4? So 4 plus 3x, sorry, it's plus 3x equal minus 2. Okay? So we have to find x. So minus 4 or subtract 4 from both sides, right? So 3x equal minus 2 minus 4. So 3x equal minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Divide 3, divide 3. So x equal minus 2. So what is the answer? Let's write the answer here. What is the answer? Open bracket, minus 2, 4. Any question? Any question? It's easy, right? Yeah, let's go to the second page. Or first, let's see this equation down here. It's okay. If the same answer, it's okay. Elimination using subtraction. Here, if I want to subtract, where you can use subtraction, yeah, teacher, if you have, look, 4y and 4y. I have same sign and same value. 4y and 4y. So how we can cancel y or remove y? So by elimination, if I subtract these two equations, I will get the value of x alone. So notice that both equations contain 4y. Plus 4y and plus 4y, not plus and minus. I don't have the opposite sign. I have same sign. I have same sign. So we have to subtract these two equations from each other, okay? Let's subtract 3x minus and minus 2x. Don't forget, you have minus inside and minus outside. That means plus. So if you want to make it easier, you can write minus outside and change all the signs. Then continue, okay? So minus and minus, it will be plus. Minus, plus, minus, minus, plus, minus. Then now you can solve. 3x plus 2x, 5x, plus 4y minus 4y, 0. 18 minus 8, 10. Okay, so 5x equal 10, divide by 2 both sides, so x equal 2. Then substitute x in any equation, you will get y equal 3. Okay, so if you have in both equations same value and same sign, so you have to subtract the equations. If you have same value but opposite sign, you have to add. Okay? So now you can look at the second page. Here, just try to solve this one. 3x plus 3y equal 15, minus 2x plus 3y equal minus 5. First, look what you have here. 3y and 3y. So I have same sign and same value. So what you have to do, subtract or add here? We have to use subtraction or addition. Who can guess? Subtraction or addition? Okay, very good, Mira. So we have to use subtraction here because same value and same sign. So I will write the steps here. First of all, I said we have to subtract these two equations. So 3x plus 3y equal 15 minus, and open bracket, minus 2x. Always if you want to subtract, open bracket, okay? Minus 2x plus 3y equal minus 5, and then close the bracket. Natalie said, no, Natalie is not true. Fatima, no, not true. Look here. I said if you want to subtract, you have to make this step before. Minus outside, then you have to change all the signs inside. Okay? Look how you can change the sign. So 3x plus 3y equal 15. Then look, minus outside and minus inside, so it will be plus 2x minus and plus, so minus 3y equal minus and minus, so 5. Now you can solve. Yeah. 3x plus 2x, 5x, plus a 3y minus a 3y, 0, equal 15 minus 15 plus 5, 20. So 5x equal 20. Divide by 5, divide by 5, so x equal 4. Yes, Fatima, your answer is true. X is true, but y is not true. Yalla, find y alone. Do you understand what I make here? Okay, do you understand what is the steps? Okay, very nice. Yalla, find y. I'm waiting. Find y. Very good, Natalie. Yes, Natalie, your answer is true. Mira, very good, true. But Natalie, please write privately for me, not for everyone, okay? Any question? So if I substitute 4 in any equation, I will substitute 4 in the second or in the first equation, okay? I will substitute 4 in the first equation. First equation here, I will write it here, okay? First equation is 3x plus 3y equal 15. So substitute the value of x. So 3 multiplied by 4 plus 3y equal 15. That means 12 plus 3y equal 15, right? So 3y, subtract 12 from both sides. So 3y equal 15 minus 12. So 3y equal 15 minus 12, 3, right? It's a 3. So y equal 1. Any question? Any question? So till now we know how we can solving systems elimination by subtraction and by addition. By subtraction if you have same value and same sign. By addition if you have same value, different sign. Now we are going to talk about how we can solve elimination using multiplication first. Multiplication. So how we can use multiplication, or where we can use multiplication. Elimination using multiplication. First, solve each system by elimination. 2x plus y equal 3 minus x plus 3y equal minus 12. So here we don't have same value because we said if we have same value, same sign, subtraction, same value, different sign, addition. But here I have different values. I have 2x minus x and y with 3y. So what we can make here, we can multiply. Multiply, for example, the second equation to get same value of x or same value of y, or we can multiply the first equation to get same value of x and same value of y. Okay? For example, 2x plus y equal 3 minus x plus 3y equal minus 12. So what we can make here, look at 2x minus x. So if how we can multiply 2x by any number to get minus x, or if I multiply x by minus 2 to get 2, it's, look at y with 3y. So it's easier. If I multiply y by 3, I will get plus 3. True or not? If I multiply y by 3, so I will get 3y. So I will get same sign and same value. What about if I will multiply y by minus 3? So I will get minus 3y up and the 3y down. It's easy. Or I will multiply minus x by 2. So I will get minus 2x. So different sign, same value. So it will cancel. Do you understand what do you understand? And here we can use multiplication to get same value, different sign. Okay? Use multiplication to get same value, different sign. Oh, Layal now. Why Layal till now? عندك okay, so so we can use multiplication to get same value, different sign. So here up we have 2x minus x. Just multiply the second equations by 2 to get minus 2x. So multiply all the equation by 2. Multiply all the equation by 2. So 2 multiply minus x, I will get minus 2x. 2 multiply 3y, so 6y. 2 multiply minus 12 minus 24. Okay? Then now you can add these two equations. Add the first equation and then second equation, or the new equation. Add 2x minus 2x, cancel. Y plus 6y, 7y. 3 minus 24 minus 21. So now you have to find the value of y. So y equal minus 3. Substitute y in any equation, first one or the second one, to get x. Okay? You can substitute y in the first equation or the second equation in the original. Write one of the original equations, substitute minus 3 for y. So we will get x equals 3. So the answer is 3 minus 3. Any question? Sometimes you have to multiply both equations, not only one equation. For example, look at example B. We have 7x minus 12y and 5x minus 8y. So 5x, how we can get from 5 7, and how we can get 7x. So which number multiplied by 5 give me 7? Nothing. Which number multiplied by 8 give me 12? Nothing. So what we have to do here, we can multiply both equations. For example, what is the common between 5 and 3? And which number I can multiply by 5 and different number can multiply by 7 give me the same answer? You have to look at 7 and 5, okay? Or you can look at 8 and 12. It's okay, Naka. By the way, time's up. So tomorrow I will repeat elimination by using multiplication first. But today, please try to study elimination using addition and using subtraction. Okay? Try to study elimination using addition and elimination using subtraction. And try to read example 3, elimination using multiplication first. Tomorrow we will continue the lesson and solve equations about it. If you have any question, please write it, like a note, and tomorrow you can ask me. Okay? Naka, you can see the lesson here. You can enter to my ID and look at the date and at the time and see all the lessons. Okay?